Welcome back, you scallywags. I'm here today to show you how to put in a window. You! Take a deep breath to get your strength up. So you can remove this support right behind me with ease. After the support is removed, you make yourself a template that is the same exact size as the window. Obviously not the same size as the flange, because if it's as big as the flange, then your window will just whoosh right through. Then you won't have a window. You'll have a giant hole in the side of your van. Another important step in this build is to make a frame that goes on the inside of the van. So then when you clamp your trim ring down to the window, it has, you know, a good surface to pull everything in, and then you won't have a bunch of waves in your sheet metal. If you got a wicked set of power tools, why not use it? This is the wooden frame that I was just talking about. So we're just gonna do a quick little fit, make sure it's good. So now, when the window is through the hole that we're about to cut, this will be the backing plate for it, and then this is the trim ring that goes on this. And then when you screw the trim ring into the window, it's gonna, and boom, we'll have another window. So put your template down just far enough that the wood frame for the inside will clear this support right here. 1 3/8, 1 3/8. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. The holes in the cardboard are there to drill through the van, obviously. And then when I'm on the outside finishing the rest of my cut, I'll be able to line the template up to those holes, and it'll be the exact right size and everything, so I don't have to measure all this out on the outside as well. So let's get to cutting, I guess. Yep. And if you're nervous about your own personal van, imagine doing it to somebody else's van, like I am right now. All right, so we got the old template that we use on the inside, and I just put it on the outside real quick. Like I said, lined up the holes, and then put a Sharpie line above the top of the template. This tape here is to protect the paint for when you're cutting. And now we're gonna you also have to seal it, so make sure to put some paint on the edge to prevent against future corrosion. It sounded like I was gonna say more, but that's it. Just prevent against future corrosion. These instructions tell me to not put sealant on the gasket. However, I'm putting sealant on anyway because nobody wants soggy wood. Well, there you have it, folks. We got 2 windows in the back of this 2020 ProMaster. Things went really well. Just remember, stay true to your measurements, trust yourself. There's no reason to be nervous when you're cutting giant holes in the side of a van. So if y'all like what I'm doing, go to www.stolpsolutions.com, and I'm much more active on Instagram, and you can find me at stolp_solutions. Everybody have a nice day, and peace.